Hold on tight, this is pure adrenaline. The fastest firewood processor meets the deadliest chainsaw on Earth. Raw power, insane precision, and a noise that will blow your mind. Get ready, because this beast is about to turn every stump into dust in seconds. The Woodland Mills WG24, a PTO-driven stump grinder built for tractors packing 15 to 45 HP, with a jaw-dropping 6-inch grinding depth. Its massive 24-inch flywheel spins like a storm, armed with 34 tungsten carbide teeth that chew through anything in their path. This isn't just grinding, this is pure, unstoppable domination. Fellas, take a look at this absolute destroyer. Simple design, but the power? Mind-blowing. Just check out that insane pile of finished wood, pure carnage. You can feel the raw force ripping through every log. But hey, don't be like this guy. Suit up with full protective gear, keep those hands safe. This is no joke. Good luck out there, legends. Stumps? Gone. This beast with tungsten carbide blades chews them up like candy smooth ground in seconds. Absolute game changer. Man, this homemade log splitter is a total beast. That 5.5 kilowatt motor and wicked drill bit just tear through wood like it's nothing. Softwood doesn't even stand a chance. But here's the million-dollar question. Can it crush oak or maple? Oh boy, that would be epic. Alright, timber warriors tired of harvesters that just don't deliver? Meet the HSM 405H, the absolute game changer in mechanized logging. This monster is pure power and rock-solid stability, ready to crush every challenge you throw at it. From gnarly terrain to massive timber, it eats the job alive and asks for more. Ready to see your logging game go next level? Let's make it happen. Whoa, hold up. These two daredevils are seriously pushing their limits. This is next level risky stuff, folks. Don't even think about pulling a stunt like this without full-on safety gear. No joke, protect yourself, fellas, because this could go south fast. Wow, this steel MS-462 beech tree takedown is an absolute masterclass. Every cut razor sharp, every move smooth and deliberate, and that drop, flawless. This is pro-level logging at its finest, zero wasted motion, 99% precision. If you love raw skill and pure power, you're gonna eat this up. Mind-blowing. Are you kidding me? This wood splitter is an absolute monster crafted by a straight-up genius, milking every last drop of power from that engine. Just look at it, shredding logs like they're nothing but cotton candy. This is next-level savage. But listen up, don't even think about trying this without full safety gear. Now buckle up and watch this beast unleash pure, unfiltered destruction. One giant old stump. One guy staring at it, totally clueless, ready to walk away. But forget all that. Do you see this? This is straight up a blockbuster beast in real life. Watch it strip that stump apart, smooth, clean, and with deadly precision. This isn't just power. This is Hollywood-level destruction right in your backyard. Listen up, wood warriors. This homemade log splitter might look humble, but it's an absolute powerhouse. It can rip through 0.5-foot logs with jaw-dropping ease, driven by a whisper-quiet 5.5 kilowatt electric motor that still hits like a sledgehammer on steroids. With a 20-ton splitting punch and a rock-solid semi-auto lift system, this beast doesn't just split wood, it destroys it with style. Meet the Genius Wedge, the log-splitting legend that's rewriting the rules. We're talking mind-blowing 40-ton crushing force unleashed by a beastly 30-kilowatt motor. This isn't dumb muscle, it's razor-sharp engineering. A precision centering system so smooth it feels like magic, fusing hands-on control with next-level automation. Bottom line, it's brute power meets pure genius, and wood doesn't stand a chance. Whoa! The engine's roaring like a wild beast, smoke pouring out like it's ready for war. This is the AWI RT800 tracked stump grinder in full fury. Built to shred or pulverize stumps from ground level down a savage 8 inches, this monster doesn't just cut, it devours wood like it's nothing. Watch it obliterate each stump with zero mercy. It's downright brutal. Tell me in the comments, could your machine keep up with this beast? Wow, hear that? That's the sweet roar of pure, raw power. This isn't just a stubborn tree, it's a full-on challenger. But watch, he's tearing it apart piece by piece like he's conducting a symphony of saws and steel. Cool head, steady hands, and boom, the obstacle is gone. Whoa, check this out. That homemade double log splitter is a total wood-crushing beast. But honestly, it feels like raw power came first, and safety came second. Awesome? Yes. Terrifying? Absolutely. Picture this, you're not just cutting firewood, you're absolutely owning it. Pedsol's TM1200 and TB900 are the Italian power duo built to dominate. The TM1200 packs a 29.5 horsepower punch, ripping through logs up to 50 inches wide with 22 tons of pure cutting force. Then comes the TB900, dropping a mind-blowing 40 tons of splitting power, adjustable to a razor-thin 0.8 inches. This isn't just efficiency, it's precision destruction. If you're serious about turning log piles into dust, these machines are your ticket. This DIY wood splitter is pure genius in action. No gas, no electricity, just raw, old-school physics doing all the heavy lifting. It slices through logs with zero fuss, saving you hours of backbreaking work. Simple, brilliant, a total game changer. You see that? Every second is pure adrenaline. Oh no, watch out, hold on. Yes, he made it. Maybe it was divine intervention, but man, his driving skills are absolutely next level. Meet the RT400, the ultimate American-built mulching monster. This bad boy packs insane power and jaw-dropping efficiency, tearing through forestry, land clearing, and site prep like it's nothing. Get ready, because this is next-level performance that'll leave you speechless. This splitter is pure genius in motion. 3 powerhouse systems in perfect harmony. A razor-sharp wedge delivering crushing force, a blazing circular blade ripping through small logs, and a slow-spinning, high-torque screw built to dominate the toughest wood. A triple-threat wood-destroying beast and next-level innovation at its finest. This splitter is pure genius for making firewood, but I feel the pain when it comes to speed. Sure, it's smooth, efficient, and a breeze to use, but in the firewood game, speed is everything. And sometimes, even the smartest designs just can't keep up with the heat of the grind. Oh man, this is next level stuff. With its insane 24-way splitting power, this beast rips a single log into perfect chunks in one savage pass, built for pure, high-volume domination. Oh wow, just look at this beast in motion. That crawler tractor with a knife roller is pure power and precision. The sheer weight crushing through, the razor-sharp blades shredding everything in its path like it's nothing. This is land-clearing perfection in action. That's a wrap for today. Share your thoughts below, and if this video inspired you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, take care.